Hello, my name is Kevin Needfelt. I'm the HVAC instructor. That stands for Heating, Ventilation, and Air Conditioning. A successful candidate in the HVAC program would typically have good hands-on skills, or at least like to work hands-on. You can't really be afraid of being out in the weather because you get to work outside all the time. A lot of it is mechanical, so you're going to be cutting sheet metal and wiring things and doing things with your hands. If that's the sort of job that you like, then HVAC might be for you. Hiring market is red hot right now for HVAC technicians. Most of my students don't make it out of their first year before they're offered a job. The pay is very good, and depending on what branch of the field that you get into, and there are many of them, the pay can be very high or it can be just satisfactory. Our program has an embedded technical diploma, which you get after the first year, and there is a possibility to get an associate's degree if you complete all the classes in the second year. The first year students are typically in class for about half a day, and the night students are typically in class from around 5 till about 9 o'clock. The classes have been shifted around so that our second year classes all take place in the evening. After you're done with work, you can come in here and finish up on your degree. You'll learn how to braze, how to solder, how to thread gas pipe, how to do wiring, troubleshoot electrical systems, and learn about Ohm's law and the laws that govern electricity. You learn about heating values and temperature, heat flow, and energy, building structure and building design, commercial rooftop units and commercial systems, a little about refrigeration, and about ventilation and ductwork. So I always tell my students that if you're the HVAC person, you're the smartest guy on the job. We have a wide variety of equipment, starting with a rack system that you might find in any large supermarket, all the way down to mom and pop gas station reach-in coolers, and pretty much anything that you're going to find out in the field we have here in our high-quality, high-end, state-of-the-art lab. We try to give our students a good foundation that they can build on as they get out in the field and start acquiring more skills that are specific to their branch of the HVAC field. One of the unique features of MPTC is that we have what's called a building within a building, which is basically a simulated job site. We have heating and cooling equipment that you would normally find on a job site, either residential, or we have some that's also light commercial. We have a very good HVAC club that has a lot of active members. For our club activities, one of the main ones that we do is a Lennox conference. They put on a seminar or a series of seminars that take place over 2 days at a water park. And we actually took second place in Tech Wars the last time we were able to go to the Lennox conference. We got to see the guts of Lambeau Field and the giant boilers that keep the field nice and warm all season long. This year, I'm going to try to get us into Miller Park so that we can see the heating and cooling systems. Personally, I worked in the lowest paying part of HVAC, the residential service end, and I was able to raise a family without very much trouble. So if you decided to get into commercial or industrial, the sky is the limit as far as the salary. It's just a matter of having the right skills.